In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PlayStation gift card balance. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to manage your funds effectively. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you like. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar. Type in PlayStation and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results related to PlayStation. Now, this step is crucial because finding the right website ensures you're accessing your account securely. Once the search results appear, look for the official PlayStation website. It should usually be one of the top results. Click on the link that looks correct. You want to make sure you are on the genuine PlayStation site to avoid any security risks. The correct link will typically end with something like PlayStation.com. Now, if prompted, you'll need to log in to your PlayStation account. Enter your email and password associated with your PlayStation account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to verify your identity. Logging in is essential because it gives you access to your account details and balance. It's a simple step, but it ensures you are viewing your own information. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar there. Click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. The profile avatar is a shortcut to many important settings and features on your account. It's like your personal gateway to managing your PlayStation account. From the drop-down menu, find the option that says Redeem Code. Click on it. Here you'll see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Type in the code carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. Once you've entered it, click Next. This step is vital as entering the correct code will allow the system to check your balance accurately. You should see a confirmation message or your updated balance on the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your PlayStation gift card balance. This small action can save you time and hassle later when you're ready to make purchases. Remember, always make sure you're on the official PlayStation website to keep your account safe. If you ever run into issues, PlayStation's support team is there to help. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.